Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here's a new video for you all, but before going to the video, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you won't miss any updates from my channel. So let's get started. So these are the few designs that I made in past this week, and on Instagram and as well as on my YouTube comments, some of you were asking me about the pattern or the templates that I use and how do I make them, or any other designs that I have in my mind. So I thought, why don't we make a video on that only. So on today we are going to make some patterns. For that I'm using this uniball of fine liners. You can use any other fine liner that you have, and to make some bold coloring I use this uniball sign V pen. So for making minute details I use usually 0.05 number fine liner, and even if you want to go much fine pattern, you want to do for much finer patterns, then you can use 0.03. So that depends on you. So let's start the template. So these are few mandala patterns with that I use, and some of them, sometimes you just go with the flow and keep on changing your patterns so you feel the vibe of the pattern. Like sometimes if you feel, if it's not dark enough, so where you'll draw bold lines and all that, just goes with the flow. So I'm using this petal design first. So whatever you're gonna do, make sure you use double lines to differentiate between two patterns in different lines, like this. When you will make another design on top of this petal, then there'll be a space between both of those patterns and it will look much better. Now keep on adding your minute details in between the petal like this. So as you can see, our patterns will look real nice when it will be finished. And make sure that whenever you're doing to design, just leave some space in between like the way I did, and you'll see the results and how pretty it looks. Rather than joining all the different patterns all together, just make sure to leave some space in between. And I'm real sorry for my voice. I have tonsils actually, so that's why I can't speak that much fluently. So it's better you just watch. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and do share this video with your friends if you liked it, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And next time I'll come up with new ideas and new video for you all. If you have any different requests for me, you can just comment below and tell me what you want me to draw next time. Till then, bye bye, see you next time, take care.